Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at St. Patrick's Catholic School in White Lake, Michigan. I got to speak to all the grades, kindergarten through 8th grade today. K through 4 was bullying, look at the heart first, that theme and that focus, and the older grades 5 through 8 dealt with diversity, needing human kindness. And it was cool because both talks we really try to hammer home the point that we look at the heart first. 1 Samuel 16:7 says that man, woman, people, we look at the outward appearance, but God always looks at the heart. And kind of like the shirt says, the one race human, we see people as human beings before anything else, no matter how they're born, whether it's taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, if we talk different, walk different, think different, learn different, hear different, see different, that we can still show the same empathy, the same compassion that Christ showed all of us when his time on this earth, and was the perfect example, the perfect model of love, of unconditional love, love without any conditions. So it was beautiful. I got to stay for all the lunches afterwards. A lot of students reached out to me, some that have been getting bullied in years past, just from how they were born, whether it's their height, someone that, has to get glasses now because that's what they need, to see, or even other people just, how they run. And it was one of those things that it's certain things that are beyond our control, certain things that our true friends will still always respect us for, no matter what happens to us, outward or inwardly, that they will still choose to show love, still respect our differences, which is diversity, but also see us for this too. I talk about the M etched on all of our palms. This M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, and for White Lake, right? But that we are able to see that in all of us. It says in the Bible that you were not a mistake, and it says that I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. Isaiah 49, it says this. So we have to remember that. We have to always choose love, always choose kindness, and know that we can be the hope for the hopeless. We can help heal hearts, heal people. We reinforce that theme as well, and that we can go out into this hurting world just as Christ did and be that light to others' hearts. So thanks for touching my heart, and hope to see you all again soon. Until then, keep spreading Christ's love, and just keep being that beacon of hope, that voice for the voiceless, and keep lifting up others higher than yourself. Much love. Hope to see you guys again soon.